Hey y'all, my name is Nicole and I am making my very first video on how to make something for your autumn season as a decoration. I made this sign right here using a Dollar Tree sign. I had this left over from last year, but they might still have them, and you know they always have them every year. As long as it's square, that's all you care about. What I did was I went on Etsy, and this is the first time I have ever been able to use my Silhouette Cameo. So I bought this file and it just says, hey, they're pumpkins. So what I did was I printed it out on orange vinyl as well as black vinyl. And I used Paper Studio on this one. I've never used vinyl before, but, and then this black, I believe, came with my machine. So what I did was I obviously bought that. It was only $1. I'll link below where I bought it from. And then I took the sign, flipped it over, removed the string and the sticker, and then our favorite Shiplap scrapbook paper I got from Hobby Lobby on sale for $1. So I just Mod Podged that on there. Then once it dried, I took some transfer tape, took off my my lettering. I'm going to save these and use them as stencils. So, but what I did was, as you can see, I took the hay there from the orange and the black from the pumpkin and mixed it up. This is what I was left with. I was able to make two from one sign. The reason I have both of them here is because I just want to show you what it looked like. I did two things differently. First of all, on this one, I did the spacing differently. I kind of lined up the bottom of the P and the K with that line. But then on this one, I decided to do a little bit differently. And I think I like this one better. But as you can see, it's a different color. So I took my buttercream wax antique and just kind of rubbed it around, and then I took some really fine sandpaper and went around the edges, trying to just distress it a little bit. I'm not so sure I'm super crazy about it with the wax on, but that's what it looks like with it off. So what I'm going to use these for are I make wreaths and sell them, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in the center of my wreaths. One of them I am going to use for decoration, but I just wanted to share that with you. This is my first video, so might be a little, you know, unprofessional and whatnot, but I'm going to get better. I'm going to figure out how to edit videos and everything, so I hope y'all enjoy it. It doesn't cost but $1 for the file, $1 for the sign, $1 for the scrapbook paper, and you know we all have Mod Podge, so in the vinyl I did have. But anyway, it's super cheap and cute way to make your own signs, so you're not going out there and just buying signs that everyone else has. Not that there's anything wrong with that, because I certainly do, but this is going to be my next project. I'm trying to figure out what I want it to say, but the back of it is my welcome sign that I made, and this is using a $1 clearance board from IKEA. Excuse me. But I just took some napkins from Dollar Tree and Mod Podged them on there, and then took some more of that wax and kind of tried to make it rough looking, but because the napkins are so thin, you see how it bubbles up. But we'll see how it turns out. All right, I hope y'all enjoy, and maybe I'll get to see you on the next video. Bye.